Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you one breathing exercise called Kapalabathi. This exercise is powerful because it will cleanse your lungs, it will warm up and energize all the upper body, and it will tense and tonify all the abdominal area. In this breathing exercise, you will only focus on the exhale. The inhale is passive and comes naturally. You will not use the mouth, only inhale and exhale through the nose. When you know how to practice Kapalabathi, usually the yogis, they go to 100 or 120 breathing and they do 3 reps of 120, so quite long. When you start this technique, you should start for 10-15 breathing, then you do a break, you relax the abdominal area and you breathe normally, and then you can start again for 1 rep or 2 reps. But it's really important after your Kapalabathi breathing that you go back normally to your regular breathing and to relax all the lower belly abdominal, because Kapalabathi will tonify everything, and if you don't relax it after, you may suffer some problem on the lower belly, and so it's really important to relax everything after. So it goes like this. Okay, then you breathe normally, and then you can start again. So usually you should be able to do 2 breathing per second, which is quite fast, but to start it's obviously better to go slowly, so it will be more like this. And after, you relax and you breathe normally. So you can practice at home, go slow, don't do too much, just a little bit, like 15 breathing once or twice. You can do it a little bit every day or once every 2 days, but don't go too fast at the beginning. And tell me, how is it for you guys? Hope you have a good day. See you soon.